We're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you the data type of BigInt. So for big numbers, big integers. So when do we need it? Let's say we have this very large number of 564s, and in the end I add a 9. And now I define another variable, let y. I simply copy this entire number, and then I change the last 9, so the last digit, to an 8. Therefore, it's not the same number. But if I print it out, document.write, and I simply compare x to equal y, this will give us true. That's simply because it's stored as a regular number and is only 64 bits. And therefore, you could say the end is cut off because it's too big to store all of the information in the number type. And even if I make this 9 and 1, it's still true. And this can lead to rounding errors, especially when you work with big and very small numbers that have a lot of digits. And therefore, the data type BigInt is also given in JavaScript. You write it like this, capital B, capital I, and then you actually put the number inside of regular brackets and quotation marks. If I refresh, now we have false. So now it finds the 1 and the 9 at the end. And if I make both have a 9, we become true again. There's a different way to write this. Instead of using BigInt, parentheses, regular brackets, you can just add an n at the end of the number, which is also turning this into BigInt. So we still have false here, and if I make this a 9, we will get true. So this is why you need this data type. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.